the money. I'm hungry.
You got a sandwich? Yeah. Which sandwich would you like, sir? We've got the meatball marinara. That's a very nice. I like that one myself.
Okay, yes, I like that.
You like that one? You like that one? Yeah, nice. Yeah, very good. Wait, actually, which bread would you like with that, sir?
Hurry up!
Well, we've got 5 different types. We've got wholemeal, whole grain, Italian rye, hearty Italian.
Italian rye.
Good choice.
Hurry up!
Would you like that with cheese and toasted?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
What are you toasting it for?
You just asked me to do it.
Take it out.
Takes 15 seconds.
It's going to take it.
No, 12 seconds.
Get on the floor. Now! You take it. No, I'm not down.
Don't lie on the floor, so I just not that.
Lie down.
Salad?
Yes, please.
Which salad?
All the salad.
All of it?
Yes.
What, even the olives?
No olives and no jalapenos either.
Okay, everything else?
Yes. Hurry up, hurry up. I ain't got time, you know. Shut up!
Right, okay, would you like a drink with that, sir? Would you like a meal deal?
Lemonade.
We don't do lemonade.
What do you do?
Sprite?
That is lemonade.
Would you like to go large for 30p extra? Hurry up, man. Sure.
I'm gonna shoot someone. I'm gonna shoot someone.
So you want the normal Sprite?
Yes, hurry up.
Would you like a cookie with that, sir?
Yes, I have all the cookies. Hurry up.
All the cookies?
Yes.
Right, there's 3 left. That's 99p. We've got chocolates, white chocolates and Smarties.
Give me the chocolate.
Right, that's 49p for 1. You want all 3?
I want all 3. Hurry up. I ain't got time for this.
Okay, that was £6.49, please, sir.
£6.49. You mad? I'm robbing the place. Why would I pay you? Give me the money.
Okay, what do you want? 20s, 10s, pounds, coppers, coppers, coppers.